In today's video, I'm going to teach you to do split screen with two videos in CapCut. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along on your phone without getting lost. Start by opening CapCut. From the home screen, start a new project and import the two videos you want to place side by side or top and bottom. Bringing both clips in at the start helps you see how they'll work together, and it saves you from redoing any alignment later. Once your timeline opens, tap the first video to select it. Use the preview monitor to position it cleanly. Your goal here is to center this first clip as your reference. Pinch to resize if needed, and drag the clip in the preview until it sits neatly in the middle. Centering the first clip makes it easier to line up the second one evenly, and it gives you a clear baseline for balance. Now it's time to add the second video as an overlay. Tap Add Overlay, choose your second video, and it will appear above the first clip on the timeline plus on top of it in the preview. This overlay layer is what enables the split screen effect because you can move and resize it independently. Tap the overlay clip again to activate the on-screen controls, pinch to scale, and drag to position it so it balances with the first video. If you want a left-right split, drag the overlay to one side and resize it until it neatly fills that half of the frame. For a top-bottom split, move it to the upper or lower half. As you move it, look for snapping guides and edges in the preview. These visual cues help you align perfectly without guessing. If you notice any black bars or uneven edges, gently zoom each clip until the edges meet the frame cleanly. Take your time here. A few small adjustments make a big difference in how professional the split screen looks. Play the timeline to preview the result. Watch for moments where one clip shifts or doesn't match the other. If the framing changes, pause and nudge the overlay or the base clip so they stay balanced. Consistency across the whole duration is key to a clean split screen. When everything looks centered and even, you're done. You've created a simple split screen in CapCut by placing your first clip as a centered reference, adding the second as an overlay, and adjusting it until both videos share the screen evenly.